Alright, welcome back to the Woodsty. We are on a kind of an interesting, fun one, at least for me. I have this little electric round turntable that you can put an item on and photograph it while it spins. But it's kind of ugly, crappy plastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this birch, which is a nice, pretty wood with an interesting grain once it's sanded. And I'm going to make a sleeve or a facade or whatever you want to call it that'll just kind of sit over. This will sit down in a very shallow bowl that you'll flip over and have a nice smooth surface on. That can be the, you get the idea. So let's, without further ado, let's just get into it.
Good day, primates. Today's mission is to disguise this hideous plastic spinning thing that somehow escaped from a discount photography catalog. Functional? Yes. Attractive? About as much as a beige office printer. Naturally, Zed's solution is to cover it with wood. Because if you can't improve the engineering, at least hide it with a pretty grain pattern. The plan is to turn a custom wooden housing that will hide this plastic embarrassment while providing a proper display stand for future bowls, hollow forms, and other creations during the ending credits. Will it be elegant? Probably. Will Zed measure everything correctly the first time? Statistically, no. Still, if this works, every future project will get the showcase it deserves. Let's see if Zed can pull it off.
One, two. Go. One, yeah. One,
The easiest way to get into the meditative state is to simply sand wood. Sand it. Make it smooth. Make it smooth.
Real smooth.
Sand it. Sand it. Sand it. Sand it.
Make it smooth. Make it smooth.
Real smooth.
Now we are getting somewhere. You are ridiculous. Zombies cannot turn. Zombies cannot turn.
Zombies cannot turn. Zombies cannot turn.
Zombies cannot turn. Real smooth.
Hear the drummer get wicked. You call that smooth? Stay in your lane, Zed.
All right, folks, that was fun. I guess you could say this is a plate in its own right. I did it. It's a little different because it's as flat as I could get it. I didn't spend a whole lot of time on the inside because I think I'm going to glue it to the turntable, and rougher is better, I think. And it gives me an excuse to be lazy with my sanding. Threw a little wire burn embellishment just because I liked it, and curve the edges a little bit. But I think this will work. We'll see in the credits. As the credits roll, I'll put this out on my stump and have it turn. And it turns pretty slow, so it might be less exciting than you think. But thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I suppose if you needed a bigger turntable, you could just make a bigger piece to put over your turntable, and then you don't have to buy two. Anyway, thanks for watching the show. Go make your own sawdust and let us know how it goes, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.